dear students, and a very warm welcome to Eduauraa. This is your biology faculty, Dr. Dhruvi Parekh. What is this Chargaff's rule? So the Chargaff's rule says that the ratio of the purine to the pyrimidine is always 1. That means whatever purines will be there in an entire DNA molecule, that is, what are the purines? Your adenine plus guanine, right? That is all the purines. And which are your pyrimidines? Your pyrimidines are cytosine and thymine. So, the pyrimidines and the purine is always having a ratio of 1. This is your Chargaff's rule. So, what is the Chargaff rule saying? That whatever purines will be present will always be equal to the number of pyrimidines. A plus G will always be equal to C plus T. Why? Because we very well know that whatever number of purines will be present, the complementary pyrimidines will always be present. Okay? That is why this Chargaff's rule come into picture. Okay? Chargaff's rule says that the number of purines is always equal to number of pyrimidines. That is, the ratio of purines to pyrimidines is equal to 1. Now, this is also very important in solving certain MCQs that can be asked in your NEET exams. Now, because of this base pairing, we also understood one more thing, that whenever there is any dicyclic compound, that is any purine, whether A or whether G, opposite to it there is always a pyrimidine, that is a monocyclic compound. Or vice versa, whenever there is a monocyclic compound, that means a pyrimidine. Opposite to it there is a dicyclic compound, that means a purine. The overall distance between the two strands remains the same. Why? Because overall there is only going to be 3 rings. Either 2 here and 1 on the other side, or either 1 here and 2 on the other side. Right? So together they are making the 3 rings only. That is why this overall diameter remains constant. And this diameter of the DNA molecule is 2 nanometer. Okay? 2 nanometer is the diameter of the molecule of DNA, and this remains constant from the beginning to the end of the DNA molecule. Understood this part? That why the diameter is constant, why it does not change? Because there is always going to be in one line any purine and pyrimidine. Okay? It will never be like there are 2 purines and that is why there are 4 cycles. Not possible. Because one purine, complementary pyrimidine. One pyrimidine, complementary purine.